Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld here. Today with me, we have the Sea to Summit Detour 4-piece camp kitchen kit. Let's take a look at it. All right, so as the name suggests, this is a 4-piece camp kitchen set. So I'll run you through the 4 pieces now. This one here is our stainless steel pot. Now this does have a 3-ply base, and that just means it's going to ensure even heat distribution when you're cooking it. And it's also compatible with gas stoves, electric stoves, and induction stoves as well. Ultimate versatility. Also nice to note that this is a 5-litre pot, so plenty of space to cook family meals. As you can see on the pot, we've also got our carry handles here, so you don't have to grab the hot pot when you want to move it around. These carry handles, I'll show you later, these do actually detach, and it's going to help clip everything back into place when we go to collapse it all later. So that's our pot. Over here, we've got our silicone strainer or a steamer, whatever you wanted to use it as. It is also collapsible, which I'll show you later when we go to pack it all down. And then to complete the 4-piece set, we've also got 2 cutting boards as well. I'm going to show you how to pack it away. As I said, everything's going to collapse down to give it a nice compact feel. So our pot itself collapses down. So does our steamer or our strainer. Put that into there along with our 2 cutting boards. And as I said before, these handles here, they're going to come off. We'll put the lid on top. And then those handles, instead of facing outward like you would for a carry handle, you're going to put them in over the top and it's going to hold this all down into place here. Thanks for watching guys, and like always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.